Hello everyone! I feel chilly in the morning and the evening. It seems that autumn has already come. The weather is so nice that I go outside and make a wreath. Today I'm going to untie the wreath I made before and make a wreath with it. I remove the burlap from the wreath frame. I need to smooth out the wrinkles of the burlap. Put water in the bottle and spray it. Roll up the burlap and press it firmly so that the wrinkles are spread out. When the burlap is ready, I will put it back into the wreath frame. Put the burlap between the second and third frame and pull it out. I made all ruffles and turn it back to clean up. Then you can put autumn flowers on it. It's better to use a glue gun, but you can use a wire to use it again later. When I was making a wreath, I was a little surprised by the next door Tom talking to me. I'm going to put a ribbon in the middle, so I put both sides similarly. In this wreath, I used the flowers I used before, and I just bought a new ribbon. Now I'll make a ribbon. The ribbon tape has a pattern on only one side. Grab the ribbon by turning it around and turn the remaining ribbon half a turn and hold it tightly in your hand. Make the shape 1.5 times larger than the first one in the same way. Repeat to make a ribbon shape. Make the ribbon into a larger circle and tie the center tightly with wire. Cut the center of the ribbon. I made it again because it was too big. Put the ribbon in the center of the wreath. I put a wreath on the front door. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a good day. Bye.